Hello, welcome to the product property or product rule with negative exponents. So we're going to apply the product rule and we're going to apply the negative exponents rule. So first you want to apply your product rule. So we're going to have v to the negative 5 times v to the negative 4. So that is v to the negative 5 plus negative 4, which gives me v to the negative 9. I want to write it with a positive exponent only. So that means I'm going to apply 1 over v to the ninth, and then that's my solution. Here it says simplify v to the negative 8, v to the negative 4, v to the 8, and v to the negative 5. So I'm going to have v to the negative 4 plus 8 plus negative 5. Negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 1, or plus 8 is negative 1. So it's v to the negative 1, which is going to give me 1 over v. Let's look at part C and D because we're going to make things more complicated. The first thing I want to do is multiply my coefficients. 2 times 2 times 6, so that's 24. Now I want to collect all my like terms, which is going to be y to the negative 7, y to the negative 9. It's going to be y to the positive 7. So 7 plus negative 9, u to the negative 7, and u squared. So u to the negative 7 plus 2. And then v to the first power plus negative 1. Alright, let's simplify all these. So I get 24 y, 7 plus negative 9 is negative 2, u to the negative 7 plus 2, so that's negative 5, and I get v to the 0 power. We need to remember that anything to the 0 power is 1, so it just goes away. So this goes away, and then I need to rewrite these, so it's going to be 24 times 1 over y squared u to the 5th. 24 times 1 is 24, so it's 24 y squared u to the 5th power. Let's look at part D. Simplify 4y cubed w7x y to the negative 4 times 4w to the negative 5 times 4x to the 4th. So I'm going to go through and multiply all of my coefficients like we did in the last one. So 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And then I get y cubed y to the negative 4th. So it's going to be y to the 3rd plus negative 4. And then I get w to the 7, w to the negative 5. So it's w to the 7 plus negative 5. And then I have x to the 1 and then x fourth. So it's x to the 1 plus 4. When I simplify this, I get 64 y to the negative 1 w squared x to the 5th power. The only thing that I need to rewrite is this y to the negative 1, so it's going to be 64 w squared x to the 5th times 1 over y, which gives me 64 w squared x to the 5 over y. So just remember to multiply your like terms, which is adding the numbers at the top, and then rewrite any negative values and multiply it all back together. Good luck.